What's up, guys? How have you all been? So, recently there was a new brand launched, okay? And this brand is called Aqua Logica. Aqua Logica. From the looks of it, there's a brand which is very highly focused on hydrating the skin. But more on that later. They have actually sent me a bunch of beauty products to try out. Now, since it's already evening, I don't know if you can tell or not, it's already evening. I'm thinking I will try out the sleeping mask for tonight, okay? I will see what this does to my skin after the first use. And if I like it, if I don't like it, we can talk about the rest of the products tomorrow and also a little bit about the brand. So, well, just keep watching this video, guys, to find out. So, the product I'll be trying out today is the Aqua Logica Hydrate Sleeping Mask designed to hydrate and nourish the skin. Let me show you the consistency first. It is a gel-like consistency, but very crispy, you know. I think that's the best way to define it. And it is designed to purify and revitalize tired skin, making it soft, plump, supple, and smooth. So I'm applying this on clean face, and I'm gonna leave this overnight and wash it off in the morning. Like promised, here I am, guys. So let me first show you how I woke up looking this morning. Here is how my skin was looking. There was a slight glow. The skin was feeling hydrated, more fresh than it usually does. Like I mentioned yesterday, yes, Aqua Logica is a brand that's very highly focused on hydrating the skin. It focuses on water-based hydration. Now, another concept that I really liked, like I've been reading up a lot about this brand since yesterday, right? Because I want to review them. I want to understand this new launch. Now, a lot of brands that you'll see, most of the brands that you see in the market these days are designed like with a very universal concept of what skin should be like, right? But I've said this before in my previous videos as well, that Indian skin is very different, right? Because of our DNA, because of the humidity levels, because of the weather, because of the sun damage, the pollution, and so many other factors, our skin is different. So what may work for somebody else may not work for the Indian skin. Indian skin in general is very dehydrated, especially with the winter season approaching. This is something that you want to take up even more seriously, okay? So Aqua Logica is a brand that's actually designed to deal with these problems. It's designed for the Indian skin, with the hydration aspect being a very important concept here. I love the fact that they have also taken up this initiative to provide clean drinking water to places where this is not easily available. And the way you can support this cause is by buying directly through their website, okay? So I will share more details and the links and everything in the description box below. It's a vegan brand, cruelty-free brand, and they use something known as the water lock technology to actually lock this hydration in your skin. Now, this is something that I've never seen before, and this is a concept that I'm definitely willing to explore because it does sound very promising. Apart from that, all the products are clinically researched, designed using the science of aquaporins, which basically is something that stimulates the aquaporin channels of the skin to push the moisture from the inner layers of the skin to the outer layer. Okay, I'll not go into much details, but basically it's something which is really good for keeping our skin hydrated and moisturized. And all the products, they contain a blend of natural fruits and actives, and it's free from parabens, phthalates, sulfates, and mineral oil. So honestly, this is a brand that I am very eager to explore. So let's jump into the products that I have been sent, and let's try them out, okay? So first we have the Aqua Logica Hydrate Face Wash. I love that it contains coconut water and hyaluronic acid, designed to hydrate and nourish the skin instead of drying it out. So if you see the texture right here, guys, it has a gel-like consistency instead of a soapy consistency. I think this is very promising. So just gonna take a little bit right here. It feels very light on the skin, guys. By the way, this is something which has been designed to use as a part of your AM PM routine, morning and night. Okay, let me just wash this off and get back to you guys, okay? Here I am, guys. God, it's so cold in Bangalore right now. Just splashing water on the face is giving me goosebumps. It's so cold. But there are two things I noticed when I was applying this face wash, or when I was washing this face wash. Number one, it doesn't stick to your skin, so you just have to splash the water like for max to max 4 times, and it will all just come off. It's not like you're having to do a lot to take this off your skin, so I think that's really nice and comforting. Also, the fragrance is very neutral, okay? I wouldn't know how to describe it, but it's a very neutral, very muted fragrance, and the skin looks fresh, feels clean. Does it look clean? I feel it looks clean, it does. Okay, moving to the next product with me. And by the way, even this one, let me just show this to you. Even this one, it actually contains coconut water and hyaluronic acid. So this is Aqualogica Hydrate Face Serum with coconut water and hyaluronic acid, designed to, of course, hydrate and nourish the skin. And do you see this 83% sign over here? I actually read up about this. So the brand claims, okay, and they say that this has been clinically proven that within 30 minutes of using this serum, my skin will feel 83% more hydrated. Now, this is something I really want to test out because it seems like quite a bit, but you never know, right? I mean, considering the ingredient list and everything. Now, the product consistency, from how I see it, it doesn't look like a stringy, thick formula, more like a light, almost watery formula. So, I'm just going to take a little bit. I'll take it at the back of my hand actually. Let me take a bit more. And that's it, guys. So the skin does absorb it very, very quickly. And okay, the skin does look hydrated, but it's only been a couple of seconds, not even minutes. So what I'm thinking is, it's a serum, right? Now for a serum, you are supposed to actually lock it in with a moisturizer. So I will lock it in with the moisturizer, and then I will get back to you guys in 30 minutes and show you how my skin is looking. Okay. So the last and final product of our routine and also of today's video is the Aqualogica Hydrate Gel Moisturizer. Now, this is clinically proven to improve your skin hydration by 74% in 30 minutes of using it. Okay, now this also seems like a like a really big deal, so I definitely want to test it out. Apart from that, let me just show you the texture. So it definitely has a lightweight, oil-free, gel-based texture. I like that. So I'm just gonna take a little bit right here and apply a few dots. I'm gonna apply very little, okay, because I think that's the best way to really test out a product in the shortest time span. Guys, I'm so sorry I didn't take a before picture when I just started this routine. I didn't expect you know to want to do a before after, but I do want to share a before after clip, so I guess I'll just manage something while editing. Why am I even talking about this? Okay, so here I am massaging this in. The skin takes it all in very quickly. It's a very lightweight texture, guys. Okay, so here is my skin for now. I'll get back to you guys in about 30 minutes, okay, to see what my skin looks like in 30 minutes. Just keep watching, stay tuned, or check out the links in the description box below in the meanwhile, but don't go away anywhere, okay? Bye. And here I am, guys. It's been exactly 30 minutes. I put an alarm so I don't miss anything out. And this is how my skin is looking right now. Now, before I show you a before after comparison, guys, there might be some change in light settings, okay? So don't look at my skin color, just look at my skin hydration, the glow, okay? So this is how my skin was looking when I just washed my face, okay? And this is how my skin is looking right now as I talk. Skin, honestly, because my skin is personally very, very dehydrated all the time, right now I can tell you, I can feel that difference. I'll tell you how I feel the difference. Okay, number one, when the skin is dehydrated, it feels more shrunken, more tight, okay, and a little bit itchy, a little bit. It's also because of dryness, of course. Right now the skin is feeling comfortable, relaxed. I don't feel like my skin is stretching out. So that is amazing. All right, and it looks fresh, right? The skin actually looks fresh. Let me just stop talking for a second and okay, so this is how my skin is looking right now. Overall, I think I like these products, and this is definitely a brand I want to explore further. It seems like something which would work perfectly for someone like me. And like I said, Indians in general tend to have dehydrated skin anyway. You can have oily skin, but still your skin can be dehydrated. You can have combination skin, normal skin, dry skin, your skin can still be dehydrated. Let us understand one thing, guys. Water-based hydration is very different from the moisture levels on your skin. Moisture or the oiliness of the skin is an oil-based concept. The hydration is a water-based concept, and oil and water don't mix. Okay, so these are two very different concepts that you should not mix. And hydrated skin will always look healthier. Hydrated skin will always look more fresh, more plump. Okay, your makeup also sits better when your skin is hydrated. Your skin also looks younger. Okay, so hydration is very, very important, very crucial, and also literally one of the first steps of your skincare routine. So don't ignore hydration. And Aqualogica is a brand that I definitely want to try out because I do like what I see. The skin looks hydrated and fresh, so why not? Okay, so I think I'm just repeating myself now. Let me know if you still have any questions. I've tried to cover as many aspects of this brand as possible in the simplest ways possible. But if you still have more questions, please let me know in the comment section below. All the products, by the way, this is like completely random, something that I just noticed. All the products that I've seen here are manufactured in India. So that's something I really want to support as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye. Bye.